Here is a secret that bakeries don't tell. This is what they do with old bread. After soaking the bread in milk, add it to the blender. Add 2 loaves of bread and the milk used to soak the bread. Now add 3 big eggs. Add 3 cups of condensed milk. The condensed milk will give a special flavor for our pudding. Cover and let it beat well. After beating, set aside and let's go to the next step. Now it's time to do the caramel. Turn on the heat and add half a cup of sugar into your pan. And wait for it to caramelize. Stir constantly so it doesn't burn. Now I'm using medium heat to make my caramel. Be careful with your heat levels. My caramel is melted and ready. It does not need water. Now put this caramel in a pudding mold. Add all the caramel. Do not leave anything in the pan. Spread it well with the help of a spatula. And spread it all over the sides. And be quick during this process. Next, add the mixture that you mixed in the blender. You will never leave stale bread in your house again after learning this recipe. Now put aluminum foil over the baking pan and close tightly. After closing, place the pan in a large pot that will fit the pan. Add warm water from the sides of the pan to the middle of the pan. It is very important to use warm water. Do not add cold water to spoil the recipe. Now count every 10 minutes on the clock. In all, we'll leave for 30 minutes. Make sure to count every 10 minutes. If the water is dry, add more. Next, remove the pudding from the pan and refrigerate for 3 hours. Wait for the pan to cool before refrigerating. And let's try it. Take the pudding out of the pan. Gosh, it looks so wonderful. This is just a different way to use your old bread. This recipe is very good. I highly recommend you make it at home.